Hello student, today I am going to give you exercises of lesson number 3, timelines. Exercise number A, fill in the blanks. 1. Calendars were first developed to track days. Here, in the given space you have to fill seasons. Number 2. The calendar we use worldwide is called the dash calendar. Here in the given space you have to write Gregorian. Number 3. The Gregorian calendar is divided into dash months. Here you have to write 12. 4 number. A leap year has dash days. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. 5 number. The Gregorian calendar was adopted in the year 1582. Write T for true and F for false. February has 28 days in a leap year. It will be false because in a leap year February has 29 days. Saka calendar is the official calendar of India. It will be true. Number 3. Saka calendar begins with the month Bhadra. It will be false because Saka calendar begins with the month Chaitra. 4 number. Both Saka and Gregorian calendars are solar calendars. It will be true. Both calendars are solar calendars. 5 number. BC is written before the year. It will be false. BC is written after the year. Now, exercise number C. Match the following. Leap year you have to match with 366 days. Common year you have to match with 365 days. Gregorian calendar invented in 1582. Saka calendar 78 AD. Chaitra begins on 22 March. Now answer the following question. Question number 1. What is the Gregorian calendar? And answer will be the Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar based on a 365-day common year divided into 12 months of irregular length. Question number 2. What is the main difference between the Saka and the Gregorian calendars? Answer will be the only difference is that the Saka calendar begins with the month Chaitra, which is equal to 22 March in the Gregorian calendar. Question number 3. Which main event divides BC and AD? Answer will be the birth of Jesus Christ was a main event which divides BC and AD. Right now, question number 4. What is a timeline? Answer will be a timeline presents the events or happenings in the order in which they occurred. Question number 5. Why has BCE or CE replaced with BC or AD? Answer will be as BC and AD have religious meanings to them. Many prefer to use the more modern and neutral CE and BCE to indicate if a year is after or before year 1. Now I am going to give you exercises of lesson number 4. Exercise number A. Fill in the blanks. See, 1 number. As early man started, dash, civilization sprang up. Here, in the given space, you have to fill cultivation. Second number. A good neighbor is dash in times of emergencies. Here you have to feel helpful. Third one, good neighbors celebrate different dash together. Here you have to fill festivals. Fourth one, a dash is a group of families living in a particular area. Here you have to fill neighborhood. Fifth one, a good dash loves his country. Here you have to fill citizen. Now exercise number B. Write T for true and F for false. See first one. We all want to live in a bad neighborhood. It will be false because we all want to live in a good neighborhood. 2. A good neighbor is always polite and helpful. It will be true. 3. One should always disturb our neighbors. It also will be false. We should never disturb our neighbors. Fourth one, parks and schools are part of our community. It will be true. Fifth one, a good citizen contributes to the progress of a country. It will also be true. C. Match the following. First one, neighbor. You have to match someone who lives near our house. Second, neighborhood. Group of families living near each other. 3. Community. You have to match it with B. Group of neighborhoods. 4. Society. You have to match it with A. Group of community. A society is a group of community. Fifth, citizen. You have to match fifth one with C. Who belongs to a country. Now answer the following questions. You have to note down question answer in your notebook. See question number 1. What is a neighborhood? An answer will be a neighborhood is a group of families living in a particular area. Second question, what is a community? A group of neighborhoods living together is called a community. Question number 3, write any 4 qualities of a good neighbor. Write the answer. These are the 4 qualities of a good neighbor. 1. A good neighbor respects others. 2. A good neighbor is helpful in times of emergencies. 3. A good neighbor is friendly. 4. They celebrate different festivals together and live in harmony. Question number 4. What are the ways in which you can improve or help your neighborhood? An answer will be, these are the ways in which we can improve our neighborhood. First one, we should keep our surroundings clean. Second, we should not play loud music at night. Third, we should develop the quality of sharing. Question number 5. What are the duties of a good citizen? An answer will be, these are the duties of a good citizen. A good citizen should take care of the public property. Second, we should always throw litter in the dustbin to keep our surroundings neat and clean. Note down carefully, match the spellings and learn it. Thank you.